Guys, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. We are going to get a little personal today because we are going to be waxing. We are going to get under there, get in the armpits area. So I'm so excited. I do this about kind of on a monthly basis, if you will. I do it as a short form content, so if you guys haven't seen on my TikTok and my Instagram, it will be right here. And if you've seen it on this channel, if you haven't seen it and you want to see it, I do it as a monthly form of maintenance. It'll be a video right there as well. So this is kind of more of an in-depth standalone video, and I just can't wait to share it with you guys. So we're gonna get into it. A lot of the items that you're going to see are from my Amazon storefront. It will be in the description below. And they are also from your local drugstore. So the aloe vera that I use, as well as the baby powder, you can pick those both up at your local CVS, Walgreens, whichever you like. The waxing beads also are from the Amazon storefront. The whole kit comes with everything that you need. So it has the sticks in there, as well as the beads, the wax pot, and there's other little aftercare and pre-care products in there as well. If you would like to use them, that is up to you. Alrighty, we are going to get started. Alrighty guys, so this is the supplies I'm going to be using. I have my aloe vera, I have my baby powder, and then I also have my wax beads. Everything is from Amazon or Target. The aloe vera is for Target and the baby powder is from Target. The wax pot that you guys see me setting right here is from Amazon as well. It will be in my storefront and as well as in the description box below. I'm going to take a tester stick. Remember, a tester stick should be way smaller than this. As you guys can see, this is my little wax. This is how you're supposed to twirl your stick. And I'm just going to apply it right here, just to check temperature so I don't burn myself. You see how I applied it and it's not moving? That's how you want your wax to be like. Now this one just has little strings and stuff. I don't really worry about that because this particular wax beads, like these wax beads, they get stringy. But you guys see, this is how you would lay a perfect wax strip on whichever area. I test on both little areas of my wrist. So right here, there's no hair. But you would just wait until it's all settled, not completely hard, but settled. And you'll know it's settled when you lift your hand and you don't see any wax. And then you just pick from the bottom and pick up, and it's all good. Ta-da! Alrighty. So, like I told you guys in the beginning, your girl is sweaty. So, I'm going to do this arm first so you guys can get a perfect view. Ooh. And I've been doing this myself for a couple months now, like even more than a couple. I've been doing my own armpit waxes. Actually, I would say over a year. Over a year I've been doing this myself. Because why am I finna pay someone if I can do it myself at home? So I'm taking my stick. Twirl, 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 twirl. This twirl's a little messy, so I need to control it. Alrighty. And you want to make sure you apply in the direction that your hair grows. For my armpits, it grows downwards. Actually, it grows multiple ways, but the main way that it grows is down. And you just want to make sure you're using all that wax. So right now the temperature of the wax is like 178, 179. I can make it warmer, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this paper towel and tear the end, and I'm going to take the top of my stick and just wrap that around. So that I can use the other side. This is the efficient way to use the wax sticks. Okay, we're gonna start to pull from the bottom, taunt our skin, and lift it up. And I'll show you guys an up close of the hairs. So this is a very good strip. It's a very good pull. Looks like I got some follicles as well. I like to give my armpits a break too. Like, even though there's obviously still some hair left, I don't like to go right back in on that arm. I go right to the next one. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is one of the many ways I take care of myself. It's all self-care, self-love over here, especially because I am an esthetician and I have the license to back the self-care. We have fun over here, so definitely continue to join us. Okay, so I'm just wiping off excess powder. You don't want to have too much powder. And taking the other side of my stick, wetting a little bit more. Yeah. And it is perfectly okay if your strips are not as even or as big as mine. It is okay. Take your time. You're at home. You have plenty of time to get the perfect result, okay? I'm going to take remaining of that paper towel and just put it on the other end. This just eliminates mess at the end, and you should have a stick like this at the end if you're following my method. If you're doing your own thing, by all means, go right ahead. Alrighty, so that's that. Okay, so I am just going to do cleanup now, and I'll see you guys at the end. guys, so I am all done. My pits are pretty looking. And I am just going to take some aloe vera. Now, usually I would just have some water to wipe off the powder, but literally just take a paper towel. It's powder. It'll come off. If you just take some aloe vera, I always apply it to a paper towel before applying it to the skin. And just look at the pit. It looks so good. Oh, let me get out the sunlight. It looks so good. So I just put aloe vera to continue to soothe and everything. I really am in no pain from the ripping. It really depends on what you use and how long you've been waxing your underarms. As I said previously, I've been doing this for a year plus on my own. I do this monthly, so I do not really go outside of the 4 to 6 week period pretty much. My hair definitely grows back thinner. All of that, and that is how I maintain my pits, guys. I keep saying pits, it's so nasty, so unladylike. My underarms. That is how I maintain my underarms, by waxing them at home. If you guys would like to see me do anything else, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe, because like I said, we are self-love, self-care over here. We got routines and everything coming. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.